Alrighty guys, we got another project here. Supposedly it's got no spark. A friend of mine dropped this off for me to fix. Oh, let me shut my phone off. Sorry about that. Supposedly it's got no spark and it hasn't run for a year or so. I did a little background check on it when he dropped it off, and I confirmed no spark. Typically you have no spark on one coil if a coil's bad, not both, and we have no spark on either coil because it's a two-cylinder engine. So with that being said, I went ahead and just ordered a new replacement electronic control unit, and we are going to get into replacing it here in a second. So hopefully you guys enjoy this little quick video. It probably won't be much at all, just because how easily it is to repair this. Because we are literally going to just go ahead and take out the ignition coil, or the coil, this guy, that sits underneath, and replace it. So that being said, let's get on it. Alrighty guys, it should be one bolt and one connector. There's a bolt right here and a connector right here. It kind of sits like that. So, yep. And it's a 10 millimeter nut, or 10 millimeter bolt. Comes right out of the plastic. This thing should drop right out. And we'll take it out and replace it. Just like that. Get it stashed back up there. Can't see where the bolts go, and I just know that it'll go roughly in the same position. Looks like someone's replaced this before, because it shows part number. Sorry, there's bugs on the seat I'm trying to get off. Shows part number was from 2010. Simple as that. Just because it had two coils failed. So let's shut the hood. Alright, I'm going to set you guys up to get a little view of it. We'll do a couple function tests on it. Well, what do you guys think? Cleaned up pretty good, I'd say. The hood's got damaged. That was before I got this thing. But overall, it cleaned up pretty good. Really can't complain. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys another day. Well, guys, that was an easy repair for this mower. Simple 1 bolt and just a $40 part from Amazon. Turned out really good. I think my friend's gonna be super happy. He's had this thing sitting at a guy's house or guy's place to repair it for the last 4 months, he said, and he's gotten nowhere on it. So I think he's gonna be stoked that I've got it going in like less than a week. So, well, with that, I'm gonna call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I might bring you out and we'll go power wash this thing for him, get it all cleaned up and spick and span so he can either sell it or do what he wants with it. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and this might be the end of the video. There might be a power washing beforehand, but this is probably going to be the end of it. So, thanks for joining. If you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. This thing was a piece of cake. Just figure out, okay, no spark on, is it both coils bad, or is it one coil bad? What's going on? And sure enough, as soon as I saw both coils dead, I was like, normally it's something else that causes it, not a coil failure. So found out the module failed and swapped it out, and next thing you know, it runs. So thank you guys for joining. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you don't mind, tell me what I can do better. Help me improve the channel. Thanks.